Hi guys, welcome to Street Engineer. In this video I will explain how to make a smoke detector. Look at this electric scooter. This electric scooter suddenly start burn, even the driver not aware of fire in his scooter. If we have used smoke detector, then he could aware of fire and he might stop the vehicle. So guys, in order to avoid this sudden incident, in this video I am gonna show you how to make a smoke detector. Materials required: MQ5 gas sensor, lithium ion cell. This cell has 3.7 volt and we need 18650 cell holder, a DC buzzer and a jumper cables. Now I will draw the diagram and explain about connections. Here is the gas sensor. Here will be 4 pin VCC, GND, DO direct output and AO. And I will draw the DC buzzer. Here is the positive and here is the negative. And I will draw the battery, positive and negative. So guys, first we need to connect sensor VCC to battery positive and sensor GND to battery negative. Then connect buzzer positive with battery positive and buzzer negative with sensor DO direct output. So whenever sensor detects smoke or any gases, then we'll get signal from direct output. Take a gas sensor and connect jumper cables, red wire in VCC, brown wire in GND. Orange in DO direct output. Now connect sensor with battery through jumper cables. Take red wire and connect with battery positive. And take brown wire and connect battery negative. Now mount the battery in holder. As you can see, green light is glowing. Now take a buzzer and connect with battery positive and buzzer negative with sensor direct output orange. I am using this incense stick. When smoke will produce from the stick, the sensor will detect and start buzzer. As you can see, whenever sensor detects smoke, buzzer is getting on. Now I will make a case for this, so I can place in scooter. So guys, here is the container box. I have drilled hole in center of box. Now take a sensor and mount in hole like this. Apply glue. I am using hot glue gun, auto adjustable temperature. If you want to buy this glue gun, then check the description, I have given link. Now take a battery and mount here like this. Use glue gun. Guys, here I have completed case. Let's try with incense stick. As you can see guys, sensor is detecting smoke which has produced from incense stick. I have mounted LED for indication and power switch. Let's try. Just on the switch, and when bringing incense stick close to sensor, sensor detects the smoke from incense stick and LED is glowing and buzzer to working. I hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching.